Good evening. Wow, wild hair today. Good afternoon, everyone. It's your boy Theo with All Nations Racing. I'm outside on getting this car repaired for next weekend. Couple little updates. One, did some wheel clearance updates here. Two, I got 9-wire. Actually, this isn't 9-wire. This is electric fence wiring holding the bumper back up. And then on this side, some more wheel clearance done there. Got the car jacked up. I put some plates on it this morning or this afternoon. If you guys watch Picket, that was kinked and bent. I got it nice and straight. It's fairly straight now, but it's blue, so they know where it's at. But we ran into a problem today. I was working on getting some body bolts in and noticed a crack. I thought, oh, the crack was a little crack. Go to spin it. I got nothing. Well, it's locked up. So go to bang on it, see if I can free it up, and it broke. So luckily I have more sets of front suspension parts sitting over here, right here. So I was able to take off a spindle. Oh, I need that pliers right there for my cotter pin. So I was able to take off the hub and the bearings right here. And so that's what I was in the process of doing. So yeah, this is the new and improved Derby car ready for Marshfield 2023 next weekend at the Motor Speedway. Gonna do some hood work. I got some hood work to do. Got some fender work, I think, on that side over here by Thunder. Hi puppy. But yeah, I got some fender work to do right up here. So pull this out a little bit, get this flat, get the hood back on. I flattened the hood by jumping on it. My fat butt jumped on it, stood on it, took the tractor, flattened it with the tractor a little bit. So we got her nicely done. So I'm gonna go and repair this rotor tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna throw some front tires on it. We are not using our big 700s that we were borrowed. Someone borrowed those to me. We're not going to run those. We're actually going to run a smaller, lower profile tire. Either one of our old skid tires, or I'm going to dig in the pile over there, see if I can find some donut tires. I think I got a multi-centered donut somewheres in this junky pile. But we are going to find that and stick those on there. So that's just a little update of the car today. Obviously, there's a little kink right there, so I might label plate it, and there's a little kink down here, so I'm gonna plate that too. So got my plates ready to go. We'll see you guys next time.